Just bit it. Nice. Checking in, had that tumble, that was awesome. Lost everyone. I'm just gonna go down, I don't know what else to do. There's Morgan. Got him. Can't wait to tell him about this crash. Should I show it one more time? Dude, I had a gnarly wipe out.
Oh no! Are you okay?
Oh yeah. Face first, GoPro in my mouth, everything. It's gonna be awesome. Heading back out after a nice little warm-up break. Snow's coming down like crazy and it is cold. 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts, 12 degrees right now. It feels like -2. Checking in afternoon of day 2. What's your experience been so far?
Amazing!
Marie? Let's go. It's been kind of gnarly, super cold. Pallet's coming down. This is a whiteout. How you feeling about day number 2?
Feeling real steez about it.
Okay. Marie, how you feeling about day 2?
Gonna get that fresh water.
Okay, alright, I like it. Nate? Alright, small little line of the gondola. "19 inches of powder overnight. We're about to drop in on our first run, baby." This looks a little sketchy. Oh no, now Morgan's down. Face first, 19 inches. Look at the snow.
I'm sorry.
No, it's crazy. This is nuts. Folks, 19 inches of snow, about up to your waist. This is crazy. Look at this, look how deep this is. This is no joke. All the ski patrol's out, marking everything. All right, there goes Morgan. Like a 100-yard wide path. Everybody's going just in a 4-foot section because there's so much snow. You just literally can't get down it. still coming down. That's my board. I was sitting here for a half an hour. Post-lunch run, fresh pal, legit, no one out here. Feeling it. Oh my gosh. Just to give you a little perspective on the POW. Some serious powder. Look at this. I don't know how to get out. This is crazy. Oh yeah. Wow. I made it out of that snowbank. That was wicked. Morgan's crushing it.